Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to solve this equation, this algebraic equation solution. Right here, we are going to find the LCM of x minus 1 and x plus 1. And the LCM is the product of this and this. So we have x minus 1 and x plus 1. This is the LCM. Then we are going to multiply this with this and multiply this with this. Right, so we have 1 times x plus 1 minus 1 times x minus 1. Everything equals to 2 over 15. Right, so let's open these brackets. 1 times x gives x, 1 times 1 gives 1, minus 1 times x gives minus x, minus 1 times minus 1 gives plus 1 over this. Let's expand this. We have x minus 1 times x plus 1. Okay, we can still write it. Let's still write it. Everything equals to 2 over 15. Right, so x minus x will give us 0. That cancels out. Then we have plus 1 plus 1. Plus 1 plus 1 is plus 2. So that's 2 over x minus 1, x plus 1 equals to 2 over 15. Here we can cross multiply. This multiply this and this multiply this. So we have 2 multiplying x minus 1, x plus 1. And then we have 2 times 15. These 2, we cancel these 2. We have this. So we have x minus 1, x plus 1 equals 15. Now x minus 1, x plus 1 is what we can get from the difference of squares. In the difference of squares, when you have a square minus 1, it will give us a minus 1, a plus 1. Okay, so we are going to take this back to this. X minus 1, x plus 1 is also s square minus 1 equals 15. The difference of squares, from s square minus 1, we can write it as s square minus 1 square, and then we do difference of squares, and it gives x minus 1, x plus 1. So we have taken it back to this place, and that's what we have, equals 15. Then we take minus 1 to the other side. We have s square equals to 15. This becomes plus 1. Right, so 15 plus 1 is 16. Now let's take the square root of both sides. Take the square root of both sides. Okay, so we have square root of s square equals to plus or minus square root of 16. The square cancel the square root. X equals to plus or minus square root of 16 is 4. That means our x is equals to 4 or minus 4. Now let's try this. Let's solve 1 over x plus 1 over x plus 2 equals to 3 over 10. Let's solve this and write our answer in the comment section. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe. See you next time.